Hey, Dr. Mindy here. I hear a lot from patients that they don't know how to make a smoothie. And I cannot think of a faster thing to make in the morning than a smoothie. It also, you can get all of these ingredients in one container and off you can go. You've got all your nutrients for a day. So, easiest thing on the planet. My favorite thing in my kitchen is a Vitamix. If you don't have a high-powered blender, I highly recommend a Vitamix. It's fantastic. What you're going to do is you're going to start off with enough liquid. I'm not like a huge measurer. I just put enough liquid here in the bottom so that I don't like my smoothies really thick and hard to pour out. So you start with water. You can do coconut milk, which is fantastic. I've done Monavie before. We have this in our office. It's a high antioxidant drink. That's fantastic. And what you do is you basically I get an organic, you gotta make sure it's organic mix. This comes from Costco. And I pour the mix in just enough into the water, depending upon how thick you want it. Then what I do is I take a tablespoon of my Max Greens. So there is one actually there's a scoop inside the Max Greens. The Max Greens really helps with giving nutrients to your liver so that your liver can pull out and do a better job of pulling toxins out. I do one small scoop of, there's again a tablespoon inside of here of the GI Revive. Put that in there. I do a scoop of protein powder. This one happens to be the vegetarian one that we sell. I also like the whey protein. The vanilla and chocolate are both fantastic. So you're going to do a scoop in there like that. And then really one of the tricks, especially if you're detoxing, is to put coconut oil in. This is from Costco. Again, a lot of the stuff that we get is from Costco. And I do a tablespoon of coconut oil. I get a little more in there. What you'll find with the coconut oil, when you put enough coconut oil in your smoothie, it makes it so that you're not as hungry as quickly after you drink it. I've put a half an avocado in there before. I've put a handful of spinach. And then all smoothies are better cold. That's one of my greatest recommendations. So I'll put some ice in. And you just put the lid on, turn it on, put it on high. Like that, you just keep adding more liquid so that you, depending on how thick or how smooth you want it, pour it in a to-go cup. Again, we're trying to get it here so that you're not using a lot of toxins, so put it in a BPA plastic-free cup, or in a glass would be fantastic, a glass bottle, and off you go. Enjoy your smoothie.